G'day guys, this is Rob from Iceboxauto. Just gonna bring you a little tips video. It's just in regards to if you have any difficulties with apps starting, or you're finding that the system may be starting to be a little bit slow on apps, or anything regarding like that. So what people do not understand is when you buy these Android systems, they tend to have a lot of apps preloaded onto the system. The likes of this Google one here, the Google browser, Chrome, Google Maps here, YouTube, Play Store, all that type of stuff. So obviously these are already pre-programmed onto ours. You may have a few extras on yours. So if you're using this system just on a day-to-day basis for your Bluetooth and your radio and stuff like that, what you need to understand is that the apps will get outdated. So if you, like a phone, when you get an app, you go into this, if you need an app update, you go into the Play Store. If you've got automatic updates, it'll do it for you. But if you have to go into the App Store, you'll see that some apps that need updating. So if you don't keep them up to date, the systems will start basically going a little bit temperamental later on down the line if the apps are like mega out of date. For example, if you're using the Google Maps here and you find that it doesn't load up properly or whatever, it's more than likely that it's going to be out of date and you haven't kept it up to date. If a seller's selling this product to you and you've kept it on the shelf for 6 months without updating firmware, again, the apps are going to be up to date. So I'm going to show you today how to keep the apps up to date and just optimize the system, keep it nice and smooth running. So first and foremost, you're going to need to give the system an internet connection. If you haven't got a SIM card, then obviously you can use the built-in Wi-Fi and connect it to your house hub if it's close, or your hotspot on your phone. Once it's got an internet connection, you just simply go out there, go to your application store, look for your Google Maps, or sorry, your Google Play Store, which is this one here. If you're signed in, great. If you're not, do not worry. This is probably the easiest way to do it, is when you're not signed in. You'll have 3 little dots in the corner here, if you look at my finger. So if you just press on this here, what you're going to get is a little message pop up if my fat finger's going to do it properly. There you go. So what you're going to get there is a little message saying these 3 options. What you need to do is select updates. It takes you into this page here, and as you can see, all these apps here all need the best keeping them up to date. You might have a few more on there, so keep these all up to date. This will optimize your system. It'll make sure it's quick and responsive. It'll make sure that the apps are working as they should. If you don't, then obviously you're probably looking for this type of video. This is why. So hope you liked the video. If you got any questions, give us a shout down below, but subscribe to our channel also, guys, because we always bring loads of new products to you, as well as little tips on how to keep your systems up to date and stuff like that, and applications and stuff. So yeah, hope you liked the video, and take care and see you soon. Bye bye.